The sun slowly rises over the horizon, welcoming a peaceful morning in the countryside. A new day begins with calm winds and golden light, touching every leaf and every heart with warmth. Welcome to Stance Glory, where moments of nature, tradition, and peace come alive. Subscribe now for a journey through the true essence of rural life. Step into the heart of the village, where mornings whisper through the fields and the songs of birds guide you forward. Every footstep in the soil holds a story. Every breeze carries the scent of earth and hard work. The golden sunlight dances on green crops as farmers prepare for the day's labor with hope and gratitude. This is not just land, it's life, its legacy, its love. Feel the serenity as the camera glides through peaceful paths, showing the simplicity that modern life often forgets. Watch as water flows gently through narrow canals, nurturing the crops and souls alike. The colors of the fields, the rhythm of nature, and the harmony of the village. This is the symphony of the countryside. As the morning unfolds, we witness the beauty in every frame, from the gentle waving of wheat to the sparkle of dew on leaves. This is a reminder: true peace is not in noise, but in the silence of nature's embrace. Thank you for joining us on this morning walk. Let's celebrate the roots that keep us grounded. Stance Glory, capturing nature's heartbeat, one moment at a time.